To buy an ETF on Trading 212, start by opening the Trading 212 app or website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one and deposit funds before proceeding. Once logged in, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you wish to buy. You can browse through the available ETFs by clicking on the ETFs tab and filtering by category or region. When you have found the ETF you want to buy, click on it to open its details page. Here you can view the ETF's current price, past performance, and other relevant information. Click the Buy button to open the order ticket, enter the amount you wish to invest in the ETF, or select the number of units you want to buy. You can also choose from different order types, such as market order or limit order. Review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then click Confirm to execute the trade. The ETF will be added to your portfolio, and you can monitor its performance over time. It is essential to do your research and understand the fees and risks associated with buying an ETF before investing. Trading 212 offers commission-free trading on ETFs, but other fees may apply. Before investing, consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. It is also crucial to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of assets to minimize risk. By following these steps and doing your research, you can easily buy an ETF on Trading 212 and start building a diversified investment portfolio.